we.
My teacher,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
You are welcome to teach your win. I like it.
Thank you very much.
Tell us your name, please. Tell us your name, please, and tell us which class you will be teaching.
Okay, so my name is Akoko Onengiofori Tamdemi, but you can call me Mr. Nengi. So I'm teaching grade 2, and the name of my school is Golden Citadel International School, Port Harcourt, River State, and my code is 00380.
Yeah, you already even answered my question. Subject, topic.
Okay, so I'm teaching mathematics, and my topic is capacity.
Thank you. So what's your objective?
Okay, so by the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to define capacity, able to identify and name objects that could be used for measuring capacity, and also be able to order the containers based on their capacities.
Thank you. All right, so what you're going to do is, see that blue button that says repeat, press it. It's going to give you 5 minutes, and that's your 5 minutes. Keep your watch on the time.
Okay.
I'm going to bring out your stuff before you press the time.
That's your 5 minutes. That's it.
All right. Hello, my nice friends.
Hello.
Okay, so welcome to class today. So what's today's date? Today's day is Tuesday, 23rd of April, 2024, and I'll be taking you on mathematics. All right. So can you be on your feet, please? Be on your feet. Go get your water bottle. Let's do a little bit of exercise. All right. So let's jog on the spot. Okay. 1. Faster. 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 Oh. Let's drink our water. I'm exhausted. Just look at the neighbor's container. Are you having the same water bottle? Mm-hmm. No, right? And it's different, right? And what was inside your water bottle? Water. And water, is it liquid or solid? Liquid. Good job. And your water bottle, is it a broom, a wall, or a container? A container. So that means the liquid, which is your water, is inside your container. So that will lead us to our topic for today. Our topic is capacity. Our topic is what?
Capacity.
Capacity. So, what is capacity? Can anyone try? Capacity? Okay. So, capacity means how much liquid a container can hold. Again, capacity means how much liquid a container can hold. So, who can help me give me example of liquid? Example of liquid. Anyone? Liquid? Liquid? Water. Good job. Another one? Oil. Good job. Kerosene. Good job. You're wonderful children. Example of containers. Containers. Your water bottle. Good job. Your cup. Good. Your bucket. Oh, nice job. Give yourself a rolling clap. Roll it up. Roll it up. And let it go. Yeah. All right. So when I was coming to the classroom, I went to the market and I got good things for you all. Do you want to know what is in my bag? Do you want to know? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. All right. I got these and these. Like, open your eyes. Ta-da! Wow, these are wonderful. So I ordered another thing from Dubai. Very expensive. Good job. So can you now look at these different containers? Can you tell me which one holds more water? Can you guess? Which one holds more water?
The one with the green top.
The one with the green top? Okay, followed by which one?
The one with the tallest.
Okay, then this. All right, so let's see if actually you're correct, if this one holds more water than the rest. So now for us to do this, I will need an indicator. So now this, my wonderful cup I got from Dubai, we're going to be my measuring tool for today. If you see, they're all of the same size, the same height. Why so? Because I want to have an accurate answer. I don't want my answer to give me a false result. So that's why I got all my cups are of the same size, the same height. All right, so I'm going to pour my water into this cup. And the one that has more cups of water means have the highest capacity. So I'm going to put it, so you can count with me, okay?
Yeah, I can do that.
All right. How many? One. How many? Two. And a little fraction of water from this container. So let's try this one to find out how many cups of water we're going to get from this one. Okay. One. And a little fraction of water. So let's try this other one to know how many cups of water we're going to get from this one. One. And a big fraction of water. So having conducted this practical, you can agree with me that this container holds more water because we're able to get 2 cups of water and a little fraction. And why this one? Thank you.
Time for feedback.
Right, thank you.
Okay, we're going to start off with Dr. Lee.
Okay, done well.
Thank you, ma'am.
You did your planning very well.
Thank
your
you.
preparation. Also, it was introduced well to the children. You interacted well with them. You engaged them. I like you. You asked them the dates, so at least you got to know what that they are alert for the day. And also, I would have preferred if you did not say the cups were from Dubai. Because one thing is that I know you just want to make them, but they will believe you, and it's not. So you can find a good store from here, and you just say, I got it from this supermarket, but
probably from Dubai in the first place.
I
was afraid.
So they don't go home and start thinking that these cups are from Dubai. So one thing we know is that what we tell them in class, our learners, is what they will take. So we have to be careful, no matter how interesting we want to make it, let us make it relevant and true for them. And you explained very well the capacity, so they will definitely understand. The containers, you could tell from the sizes, but by practicalizing it, you got them to follow you. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Professor, please.
Yeah. Nengi, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Nengi.
Yes, sir.
Now, I noticed that you came in with something on your head.
Yes, sir.
You didn't explain why you did that, but no problem. That's your selling point. That's your selling point, really. Then I noticed that while you were trying to write on the board, you backed the children. You backed the children. You will have finished writing, then you face them to talk to them. But all that you first wrote while you were backing them, you were looking at what you are writing, but it's not sufficient to back these little ones, because they will imagine seeing your backside and not concentrating on the notice board.
Yeah, thank you,
Then
sir.
I like the way you throw the questions and guided them to answer those questions.
Yeah.
Funny.
Yeah.
And they would like your snag, your
Vibes.
creativity and your demonstrations. They are very good things.
Thank you, sir.
So please keep them up.
Thank you.
Then time. You didn't consult your time. Towards the end of it, you lost the it, and you couldn't conclude. There was no bye-bye to this lot. They would have loved to say, bye-bye, teacher, how are you?
To this.
Well done.
Thank
A
you, sir.
few things from me. I'm a maths teacher, so I'll come on to the maths part of it in a moment. But I loved a lot of what transpired. From you coming in the door with that bowl or whatever it is on your head, I just found that very engaging. I'm sure the students would as well. So that was a very good introduction on behaviour. In terms of the questions, as Professor said, and then you guided them. Guided discovery, that's a phrase in pedagogy. Guided discovery is a key way to get people to appreciate things in their own way. Or another way of saying it is to say it's heuristic. Yeah, a heuristic approach. And the other thing I would say in terms of, I like that, rolling clap. I think I might be using that whenever I get to teach as well, at whatever level. Now onto the maths of it. You see, once people start to say, I have objectives and I want them to define, I'm like, Define is very challenging because different words can sometimes mean different things to people. You've got to really ask yourself that, do you really want them to be able to define or just to appreciate? Or any other word close to that. But you see, the moment you start to define, and then you said capacity, how much liquid, this is verbatim now, how much liquid a container can hold. So if I put marbles in that black bowl, would it not express capacity to hold a certain number of marbles or a certain number of sand? Is it liquid? So you've got to be careful with definitions, and you've got to be careful with, again, this is like nitpicking, but it depends, you see, because sometimes it's harder to unlearn. Because sometimes I could say something like that, but I'll say to them, later on, when you get to year 5, when you get to year 6, we're not just going to be talking about liquid, we'll be talking of other things. But for the moment, let's just keep it simple as liquid. So you could do something like that. The other thing is keywords. Keywords is crucial. Capacity you've got on the board. Now, you could have made a link to fractions, because when you were pouring your liquid, your water into the cups, and for the first 2 containers you said, and a little fraction is left. And I think for baby, yeah, and a little fraction of water. So if you've taught them fractions or you're about to teach them fraction, you could have made a link to that. Yeah, intracurricular links, that's good as well, yeah. But measuring tool you mentioned at one time, you didn't write it down as a keyword. So it's good to write down keywords, because sometimes we feel, well, you are saying the right thing, but they're hearing something different. Or you are saying the right thing, but you need to reinforce it visually. Yeah? So I'll stop there. And I enjoyed the lesson a lot. Thank you very much.
I also have balloons for my learners for doing a good job. Balloons.
Thank you very much. We appreciate, we are appreciative people. Doctor.
Okay, I think it is good. I don't have to add anything to what has been said. Your energy is it for me, and the preparation that went into this. I always talk about that. What you did in 5 minutes is a function of what you have done for a very long period of time. Yeah. The cups, the containers, and everything. I think you did a good job. Please try and keep it up and listen when somebody is talking.
Sorry.
All right.
You switched to teacher mode there.
Yeah, all right. So beautiful job there, but you can still work on those areas that you have been advised. You have one more leg in this level. That will be on Thursday. I hope you can still step up the game better than this. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.